I'd like to introduce you to another innovation from Southwire. This one kit with the XT stripper and the mini stripper will provide you with all the tools you need to strip 600 volt cable from number 6 to 1000 kc mil. Let me show you how they work. Okay, so we're going to pull back the spring trigger and insert the wire to the proper depth. Now we'll just begin to rotate the unit. When you get your desired strip length, just bump the back. It's going to make a nice clean cut. The first thing I want to point out is it has a 4-inch adjustable depth gauge to give you consistent and repeatable cuts. I've got this one set to strip about 1.5 inches. Now we're going to slide our cable in, adjust that to about halfway under the cutting blade. Now we're going to adjust our cutting blade down till it touches the insulation. You're going to feel it release, and now you can just rotate the tool. It's going to make a real nice accurate cut. This is one more way that Southwire helps your crew work safer and more efficiently.